This platform replaced 8 tools in my agency. Here's whether GoHighLevel is worth $297 per month. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform for agencies and small businesses. It includes client management, email and SMS automation, funnel building, appointment scheduling, and white label capabilities. The top features are a CRM for managing clients and leads, marketing automation for triggered emails and texts, a funnel builder with templates, calendar booking that syncs with Google, and white label resale to rebrand as your own software. Pricing has 3 tiers. Starter is $97 per month with unlimited contacts. Unlimited is $297 per month and lets you resell to clients. Agency Pro is $497 per month with advanced features. If you're paying for HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, ClickFunnels, and Calendly separately, you're already spending around $300 monthly. GoHighLevel replaces them all. Use this if you're an agency managing multiple clients, a consultant needing automation, or building a SaaS by white labeling the platform. Don't use this if you only need basic email marketing, require highly custom integrations, or expect it to run your business automatically. Link in description for a 14-day free trial. It's an affiliate link at no extra cost to you. Comment with questions and subscribe for weekly tool reviews.